Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going over the night shapes. So how night shapes looks like. Wait, let me take the case. Like this looks like the night case. As you can see, like case are like this only. So there are basically 4 types of night shape cases. Yes, there are basically 4 types of night shape cases, and all are pretty easy. So yeah, so let me take the first case. So guys, this is the first case, how it looks like a long kind of night shape or half T, because if you already in this T. So this is the T, block over here, apply R. Now how to apply the algorithm I will show in the top always. Smaller U, smaller prime, U prime, smaller U, smaller prime. Now that Y means just do a rotation like this, or instead you can insert this here like this, but F move can be a little bit harder, so do a Y and insert this at the back. So that's pretty easy, right? Just how you execute is just you take this 1 2x3 block, then move this corner, this pair over to there, then insert this H piece, then insert this corner at the end with a different pair, and that's pretty good. Oh my god, corner so yeah, let me show the next case. So guys, this is the next case, looks like this, the opposite of the last case. Now with alright, so yeah, so it looks like this. Now how to apply. Now don't do wide moves. You can do wide moves, but sometimes it can be pretty harder. Instead you do R prime F R U prime, R prime F R. Now if you want, you can insert this like this, or you can rotate and insert this pair at the back. It doesn't matter how you insert, but I guess this. So now the last 2 cases. This looks like the last case, but now this is not block over here. So yeah, so this is a block. Now keep the block like this, that it's over at the left side of here. Now how to apply. Small r U, small r prime, then do a sexy move, then insert this pair, which is pretty easy, taking out sexy move and stuff like that. So yeah, so let me show the next case guys. So this is the next case, looks like it's the opposite of only the last case. Now this is not at the left, now this is at the right. So how to apply. Small l prime, U prime, small l, okay, small l prime, U prime, small l, then do a left sexy, then insert. Now insert this pair. So as you can see, these are all the cases, and the algorithms are very easy. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, just consider hitting the subscribe button and comment something positive, and also don't forget to comment which case should I go on my next video. Till next time, happy cubing, bye.